Okay, here we are at an abandoned gas station in rural New York State or Pennsylvania. I'm not sure at this point. We're kind of lost, but we're enjoying the being lost, because I get to find all these old interesting places. Unfortunately, I missed this one a little. It's collapsed now, but that's okay. That's all that's left in this side here. It was a bad collapse. Excuse me. I'll try to edit that out. That's all that's left. It doesn't look like entry is possible. I see a door there with a lock on it. Although there is a open window right there. Oh, what's this? It used to be an antique store. Another door. Since this place is collapsed, well, this door here is, I think, nailed shut. Yeah. There's a nail right there. Keep intruders out. There's a window there. Maybe I'll try to get in through the front. But there's neighbors right across the street. And they were looking out their window. They're looking now, right now. This house right there. I'm not going to zoom in on them or nothing, but may have to watch stepping on a nail. It's like walking through a house that was damaged by a tornado. See? This is all that's left. Nothing was hidden. No money was hidden. Whoa. Floor just broke. This just fell in. There's nothing in here. Oh, there is. All right. Holy Hold on. If someone tells me to get out, I'll get out. Just please don't call the police. Okay, right away we have like an old-time shelf with a roll of something on it. It won't even move. It's molded to the wood. And here's what appears to be an American flag that needs to be properly stored. Unfortunately, it's in that sad state. The floor is all buckling. And if there's anything inside. No. It won't open. Is there something inside? This is a very ghostly scene. And here's an old refrigerator. That's the remnants of some kind of a dial or indicator. This is a very old refrigerator. It's a Frigidaire. Here's some antiques still on the shelf. Help yourself. There's a cool lamp. Very old lamp too. It's got the cloth insulation on the plug. It's an insulator. Some kind of carving. Not much else. There's a very rusty iron. I think you saw it. That's brass. There's a drawer here of who knows what. Here's the other side of that.